How would you like a $4,000 travel, wine, and dine credit? Well, we might just get it very soon. Let's go over the details. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, my name is Dion, and this is your stimulus package and second stimulus check update for today. Proposals and ideas about the next stimulus package keep flying out, and I will go over the latest with you. By the way, thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel and you're part of this community. If not, please consider subscribing for daily stimulus updates and other personal finance tips in the future. So hit that subscribe button down below. Let's get started. The latest news is that the Trump administration wants to give you $4,000 in stimulus money for traveling and dining out. $4,000 seems like a lot of money that could be very helpful, but there is a catch. I will cover that in just a minute. Finally, seems like almost everyone have received their first stimulus checks already. I believe there are still a few million that needs to be mailed out, and as we're following the development of the new stimulus package and a second stimulus check, we keep getting new proposals and ideas of how Americans might receive extra money from the next bill. The most recent idea is about travel and dining out credit. So for those hoping for money, an orthodox proposal has been receiving support from the Trump administration that could provide additional stimulus money that for many families would be worth it a lot more than the first stimulus check. The catch is that if this new plan is accepted, the stimulus money would be available to you only if you use it for traveling and dining out. Here's the kicker. Lobbyists from the tourist industry are the ones promoting the Explore America tax credit in the Congress and the White House. And the idea has captured the attention of powerful supporter, and that is the president. The president indicated his support for the proposed tax credit at a recent White House roundtable attended by the leaders from within the restaurant industry. So what do we get if the lawmakers include this new proposal in the future coronavirus stimulus bill? Well, the Explore America tax credit would basically give you a tax credit of $4,000. The purpose of it will be to incentivize people to take more trips around the United States and visit more restaurants. I guess for people that don't travel much or eat out, this might not be very helpful overall, but I believe it's a sound idea, don't you think? This is how the credit will work if accepted in the next coronavirus stimulus package. You will use $4,000 tax credit to cover 50% of eligible travel and dining related expenses during 2020 and 2021, which means in order to take advantage of the full $4,000 credit that you're eligible for, you will need to spend $8,000 in eligible expenses. So if you look at it this way, overall, it will give you a lot more money than the $1,200 stimulus check. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are so far about this proposal. Main thing to keep in mind is that unlike the first stimulus check, which were sent directly to Americans, this tax credit will be different. You will have to wait to claim this tax credit when you file your taxes for 2020 and 2021 because you would need to show you incurred eligible expenses. If that's the case, you would need to spend out money in advance and wait to get a cash back later. This is a big deal for a lot of people considering the situation that we're in. So far, the credit could potentially be used for car rentals, hotels, theme parks, restaurants, and domestic airline travel. I can see where the idea comes from, because if it passes, this would help in a couple of ways. It will basically give more money to Americans, with the catch that it has to be spent for travel and dining, and at the same time, it will add much needed boost to some industries that were hit by the coronavirus. But again, if you don't travel much or eat out, this will be of no benefit at all. So please let me know if something like this will benefit you personally. For me and my family, I believe we could use some of that credit for sure. We can travel, visit a family that doesn't live close by, while saving some money on plane tickets and of course dining out. Overall, it is a better idea than some that we've seen lately out there. The sentiment for another stimulus package and a second stimulus check is staying very, very positive. I appreciate you watching this video. Please hit the like button down below. And as you know, I will give you all the updates as soon as physically possible with working around the clock for you. And as soon as we know more, you will see it right here on the Finance Kit channel. I want to say thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. I will continue to bring you all the updates as they happen. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. Like and share so more people can see it. Down in the description, you will see other helpful links as well. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset to a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.